who do I level up more? Okay, I need this Bucko bee. I mean, Cobalt
Honeybee.
bee leveled up.
Honeybee.
Honeybee?
Honeybee.
My poor honeybee. I'm gonna
Honeybee.
level him up one more time.
Salvador, you know what I want to do?
What?
You know what I want to do, Salvador?
Wait, who else do I need to update? I mean,
Honeybee. 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 Honeybee.
I'm not leveling him
Very
up to
funny.
12.
Please do it. You know how funny that would be?
Oh, what a shame it would be if he was on level 13, right?
Oh, it would be such a shame, Salvador.
It's such a shame if I leveled him up to 13.
He's your highest level. Salvador, what's better? Okay, what's better? Being very good and very optimistic, being incredibly funny.
Shit, I'm gonna have to level him to 14 now. I'll get a legendary here soon. Here soon. Yeah, it's almost here.